welcome to the first not quite tiny bake-off. Not quite tiny because I do not have the resources to purchase actually tiny things. Today we're making chocolate chip skillet cookies. We have with us Josh and then Ruth. And so again, because I do not have a lot of money, if you feel like you do not need to use something, feel free to not use it so I can return it later.
One question.
Yes.
What the heck is a skillet cookie? Wait, is this the brown sugar?
I'm not telling you.
Does this look like fungus?
Guess who's already ahead of the game?
Oh
this
gosh.
girl.
What?
What are you looking at?
I don't know, I was just looking at
Yeah, what are you looking at?
So just comparing, you know?
Great to know mine is the golden standard.
No, it's just yours is a standard and I have no standard.
That looks pretty good.
Thank you.
Oh my god, mine is overflowing. Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh yeah!
Okay.
Yours overflowed. That means maybe I should only put like half of it.
That's not fair, it didn't say that on here. We eat each other's cookies, right?
No!
Okay, I'm just gonna decorate the shit out of this and make it look so bomb that we're not gonna remember that I messed up.
Oh, that's a good idea. Sorry.
You're gonna steal my ideas. Are you actually making your girlfriend?
Oh no! Oh my gosh, no, now it's even more like the Joker, man. It's like, do you wanna know how I got these scars?
My cheesecake cookie?
My Joker girlfriend cookie.
I'm like really nervous. It's like cake-like.
I'm so sorry.
Stab her face.
R.I.P. This is the best cookie you've ever tasted in your life.
Honestly, it's pretty bomb.
See, that's a cookie.
So I think Ruth wins decoration
Okay.
and Josh wins baking.
You should use this and then decorate it with your decorating skills. That's right, you've got
See,
it.
it would have been teamwork.
But instead we see it pit us against each other.
We'll see if there'll ever be another installment of Not Quite Tiny Baking. See you maybe next time. Thanks for joining us.